If you would like to earn close to $1,000 a day by sitting at home, then watch the video carefully. Today, unlike everyone else, we will make money thanks to breaking points. First, we catch the necessary cryptocurrency moment and start. Here we see that the cryptocurrency is going up in the long term, and we make our bet after passing the resistance point after a very rapid rise of the point. And as you can see, after a rapid rise, we won. Let's move on to our other crypto money. And in a similar position, after such a short takeoff and landing, there is definitely a breaking point, and we see an upward resistance, and each time our downward resistance point rises even higher. The situation is similar here, but we see a downward descent rather than an upward one. The previous development has not gone very far, there will probably be a decline, and we are placing our baits. Here too, no matter how hard one tries, breaking occurs. We have come to the end of the video. Today, I earned $720 with you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more analysis.